Hi friends, today we'll speak about how to fix or how to solve the problem of grayed outs on Roblox. To know how to fix or how to solve grayed outs on Roblox app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. After that you will enter to the window or to the app of Roblox and you can click. Here in this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors in your app. In the end, you can go to Play Store. If you'll find here update, you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.